It doesn't cost anything to set up a KDP account. You can even use your current Amazon account to log in. Go to kdp.amazon.com to sign in and create an account. In order to set up your KDP account, you will need to have a few things ready to go. The first thing you will need to input is your name, address, and telephone number. You will need to fill out a W-9 for U.S. publishers or a W-8 for non-U.S. publishers. U.S. citizens should be prepared to enter either their Social Security number or Federal Identification number if you have one. Non-U.S. citizens will need to search KDP's publishing section to learn what specific documents you need for your country. The final information you will need to enter is your bank account and credit card information. Amazon pays by direct deposit. If you're a non-U.S. citizen, please see KDP's publishing section for tax and payment information for your country. Now that you have an account open, here are some good-to-know facts you should know about KDP. You can opt in to sell your book on 13 different Amazon sites in 13 different countries. You can choose to join the KDP Select program in order to make your book exclusive to Amazon and be able to participate in promotions and Kindle programs. We will discuss KDP Select in more detail in another lecture. There is approximately a 1-month delay between sales and payment. In other words, January sales will be paid in March. It generally takes approximately 24 hours to go from uploading your book to seeing it live on Amazon. The lowest price you can make your book is 99 cents. If you have any questions about setting up your KDP account, please post them in the discussion panel. See you in the next video.